Hey guys, welcome back to yet another YouTube video. Hello everybody, welcome. I'm back. So, man, this is a big ass deal, I feel like. This is a big deal. Microsoft to acquire Activision Blizzard for $68.7 billion. Man. So they're gonna get Overwatch, which will be coming to Game Pass, Diablo, Call of Duty, World of Warcraft, Candy Crush, and StarCraft, all coming to Game Pass. Man, like when I thought Bethesda being bought by Xbox was a big deal, this is just as big. Wow. All I can say is I'm stunned. Like, they've been buying companies left and right, and it's been crazy. So Microsoft is acquiring Activision, the troubled publisher of Call of Duty, World of Warcraft, and Diablo. The deal will value Activision at $60.8 billion. Damn. And then they're talking about how back in 2016 they bought LinkedIn. That's another one. It's Microsoft's biggest push in the gaming. The company says it will be the third largest gaming company by revenue, behind Tencent and Sony once the deal closes. Damn. Third largest. Wow. Yeah, and Sony and Tencent. Microsoft plans to add many of Activision's games to Game Pass once the deal closes. With the acquisition of Activision, Microsoft will soon publish franchises like Warcraft, Diablo, Overwatch, Call of Duty, and Candy Crush upon close. We will offer as many Activision Blizzard games as we can within the Game Pass and Xbox Game Pass and PC Game Pass, both new titles and games from Activision Blizzard's incredible category, says Microsoft CEO Phil Spencer. Game Pass now has 25 million subscribers. Damn, that's a lot. As Microsoft continues to acquire studios to boost the subscription service, we're investing deeply in the world-class content, community, and cloud to usher in a new era of gaming that puts plenty of players, creators first, and makes gaming safe, inclusive, and accessible to all, it says Microsoft CEO. I don't even know, is it Satya Nadella? Yeah, I think that's how you pronounce it. But man, wow, this is kind of a big deal. Microsoft deal comes after months of sexual harassment claims Activision Blizzard. Last July, the California sued Activision Blizzard for a culture of consistent sexual harassment. What I'll say about this is, like, that thing should have never have happened. Like you would think a game company would be safe and inclusive to everybody, you know? Like, you would think so. And not everyone had a safe workspace. So what Activision Blizzard did, especially Bobby Kotick, very, very disgusting. But I feel like, you know what, I'm going to finish the article, then I'll go in and finish what I was thinking. More employees have come forward with allegations of sexual misconduct ever since, and the company reached an $18 million settlement with the U.S. Equal Employment Opportunity Commission in September. That settlement is being appealed. Reports indicate that 40 Activision employees have reportedly exited the company since last. Damn. Microsoft doesn't attack how it will approach solving these issues, and the company says Bobby Kotick will continue to serve as CEO of Activision Blizzard for now. Well, he needs to step down, just saying. I don't condone what he did or anything like that. It's disgusting. It looks like Kotick won't remain once the deal is fully closed after the transition to Microsoft, though. Spencer, former head of Microsoft Gaming, is now CEO of Microsoft Gaming. Wow, CEO. That's good. Congrats to Phil. Like, he's doing good things for Xbox and Microsoft. And the company says the Activision Blizzard business will report directly to Spencer. As a company, Microsoft is committed to our journey for inclusion in every aspect of gaming among both employees and players, says Spencer. We deeply value individual studio and cultures. We also believe that creative success and anomaly to go hand in hand with treating everyone with dignity and respect. That's true. Companies should treat their employees good. We hold all teams, all leaders to this commitment. We're looking to extend our culture of proactive inclusion to the great teams across Activision Blizzard. Microsoft's huge Activision deal nearly a year after the company acquired Bethesda ZeniMax. That was pretty big too. Like, we thought that was big. This one is bigger. At the time, that acquisition bolstered the company's first-party Xbox games to a total of 23, which is seen as a huge boost for Xbox Game Pass. Microsoft now expects that Activision Blizzard to close in fiscal year 2023. That's a year away, which means we might not see this deal approved for up to 18 months. That's a long period of time for a deal to close. But Activision Blizzard operates in a number of markets, which regulatory approval more complicated for Microsoft. Okay, is there any more to this article? Don't look like it. So my thoughts. I think it's gonna be interesting, to be honest. Like, who knew we would see the day, Microsoft would acquire Warcraft, Crash Bandicoot, Overwatch, Diablo, Call of Duty, StarCraft, which I've never played. Sure, it's fun though. Like, these guys were pretty well known in the Warcraft community, and I've never played Warcraft, to be honest. But I'm sure it was fun. But man, Candy Crush 2, wow. I've seen that on the phones quite a bit. But going back to Bobby Kotick, I don't condone what he did. I don't think he should still be CEO, and I think they've been making a lot of mistakes. But I think this acquisition, to be honest, will definitely be a good thing for the company, especially if they fire all the people who are involved or leaving it. Well, not the people leaving it, because they're gone anyway, so it doesn't matter. They're just gone. They're just like, I'm done. But yeah, man, I feel like Microsoft is going to be doing a good thing with this company, and I feel like it can get back to where it was before. And yeah, I see a lot of good things coming out of this, and I think this is definitely going to be a good thing for the future of Activision Blizzard, especially if they can change some things around with it. So I hope you guys liked this video. Hit that like and subscribe if you enjoyed it. And tell me what your thoughts are in the comments below. And I'll see you guys in the next live stream, which will be on Friday. Or next video. So yeah, thank you guys. Love you bunches. I'll see you then.